So these are 24s right here. Hold on. These are 24 millimeters right here on both sides. You know what I'm saying? You got one right here too. So boom. No, I think it's an 18 on this side and a 24 nut. Yeah, and then an 19 millimeter right here. Also, you gotta take out sway bar. I just did another video for that. So you gotta loosen up your 13 millimeter on the sway bar and link down here. Good time to replace these at this time. This is also a 24 right here on both sides, I think. Let's take that out. And this down here, this is 24 also. They all 24s. This whole thing makes it real easy. Yeah, they're all 24 millimeters. 24 is a magic number. Knocked out. This is where I had the problem. So I took this out, took these out, that, and this. Real easy, right? That's easy. This motherfucker right here was a bitch. I used the front end service tool and everything, and I just could not get it. I even took the ball joint press, and I was like trying to hit it like with the ball joint press, and it wouldn't nut. It just wouldn't come out, man. And then I just had to get the BFH, you know what I'm saying? The big fucking hammer. You know what I'm saying? That's a 10-pound hammer right there. The Wilton. Yeah, those are good hammers. And then I got a real big sledgehammer, but that one right there, that's that little baby Thor. It's that Harbor Freight shit. It's a good hammer. That's the baby Thor. But it don't hit like that one. That right there got weight to it. And so I just came in, you know what I'm saying, put that Hercules on it. You know what I'm saying? Just beat the shit out of it. And eventually it's gonna come out. You're gonna have to take this out too. So take this, pop out that, and then it'll drop. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, you can't get this control arm out unless you take this out. You know what I'm saying? It's just not gonna come out. And then when I drop it down, you got this fucking torsion bar going in here, right? And so it got to come this way. So I took the pry bar and I put it here and I push it down. And when I'm prying it down, then I hit it with this. Hold the pry bar down with my right hand. With my left hand, I'm gonna hit it with the hammer like that. Knock it out. Okay, let's show y'all what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, so lower control arms. That's what we're doing. So you see, I got it out. I just hit it right here. Right here, right between these two little areas. That's where. Then I put after I beat it up real good, give it some good wax. Put the jack stand here and then drop it down kind of hard, kind of quick, and boom, it'll just pop right out. So I get that. Again, you see I already took out my bolts. Right there. Right there. Get all the bolts out. Got that one out right there. Sway bar. So that's the last one. Then I'm going to have to take this one. Once you take the upper control arm, take that loose. I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it up on top of here and then use this bungee cord and then hold it so that this don't fall down. So you want this real tight. So I just put it right up there. But you can go anywhere. You can go to the transmission dipstick, whatever. Just, I don't know, electrical line. Something that's going, you know, you get a good spot would be right there. Right there. Hook it around that right there, that metal bracket. Even right here, this is good EGR. That'll be good to hook it right there too, whatever. But you just don't want it to fall down and break the brake line or hit you in the fucking head. It'd be lights out. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to set you up here. And what I do is I pull down with the pry bar, right? With the right hand. Yeah? And then I clear that, and then I'm gonna hit it with the hammer with the left hand. But shit. I don't know if I can get y'all. Little seats here. Let's see. What are you looking at over there? And let me get you a like that. Bruh, hold still. That's not a good seat. Let's see. Go. Fucking shit. Like that. Like that. Like that. Shit. Oh. Bitch. Fucking asshole. Oh boy, fucking shit. Alright, bitch. Yeah. Down. Right here. So you want just a little bit. You asshole. There you go. That's it right there. Yeah, shit. Huh. Alright, so I think I got you set up to where you might be able to see how I do this shit. That's how you get it out. It's actually a lot easier to come in. I usually clean this up, spray it with some lubrication, and then, you know, pro tip again, y'all. I keep telling y'all to knock this shit. Open them up a little bit like that. It's okay when you take the bolt and you tighten the bolt down, it's gonna squeeze the bracket back together. So you're not gonna hurt nothing like doing that. So first thing you do when you put the new one in, line up your torsion bar right there. So line that up, you're gonna slide it on, slide that in there, and then hard part is holding this up and you want to get the upper ball joint first. That's the first thing you want to do is tighten this up. Okay, so this is it goes on easier than it come off. So I just take it and slide it on right here, and the angle, I mean, you want to kind of tilt downwards. You don't have to be like up too much, but just you can move it, you know, once you get in there. But anyway, slide it on here first and then push this in, push that in. Just slide your bolts in there And then you want this to line up, so you got to put the jack, lower it down real slow. If you lower it down too fast like I did, just raise it back up until that whole line up. Right about there looks good. Take the bolt, slide that in there. Oof. Let's see. Maybe that's not it. Oh, it gotta be this one. Maybe. Let me find the right, is that the right one? Anyways, so tighten your bolts up. Next thing, we're gonna drop this down, put in an upper. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that, for sure, for sure. And see, I ain't tighten nothing down, I just put the nuts on, but I ain't like bolt them down. I ain't nail them down yet. I'm gonna do that at the very end. Let me find the right bolt for this. It's laying around here somewhere. Anyway, so next thing, I'm gonna drop this down. Like I said, I'm gonna put, first thing I'm gonna do is try to put this upper control arm, you know, this upper ball joint, and get that one. Matter of fact, this is for the upper ball joint. That's what that is. That's what I need right there. So, I need 2 hands for that though. Okay, so once, you know, so what I do for this is heavy, right? So I sit here, this pants on right, and I'll hold this up with my knees like that, kinda, and then put this bottom bolt on and just hand tighten it. You know what I'm saying? But just, you have to lift this up, you know, or you can put a jack or something up underneath, you know what I'm saying, your rotor. But you gotta hold this rotor up. It's kind of heavy. You know, I just put my legs up underneath it and then lift it up, tighten that up. Then you'll have to get your lower ball joint. Like this, what I do is I drop it down on the jack. So I put the jack on the lower control arm and then lift it up so that it clears. And then I just start raising it up until the bottom starts to, and then line it up as I'm jacking it up. So I'm jacking over here, and then I come over here and I make sure that it's lining up. And I got it to line up now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and jack it up all the way. And then put that bolt on, and then I'm gonna do the sway bar end link. And that's it. Alright, so got this bottom one, put the bolt on, tighten that one up, tighten these. This is mismatched. The long bolt's supposed to go there, but we'll switch them out. Anyway, so sway bar end links, got to put it on like that. Then the top one, I just hold that still, and then screw it down, hold that tight with I just hold that with like the vice grips, and I hit it with the impact, and that's it. Tighten your bolts down, you good. So lower control arm. Pro tip, like I say, guys, doing spark plugs. Take out this cover. It's real easy to get to them. Take off the wheel, get to the oxygen sensor, spark plugs, all that stuff. Right here.